Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, parent or someone who needs a multi-purpose backpack, this video is for you. This tiny tote bag is designed for school, college and even short travel uses. First of all, let's talk about the design. This bag looks very stylish and modern. It comes in multiple colors and has a clean unisex design so both boys and girls can use it. The material is polyester which is durable and slightly water resistant so light rain won't be a problem. Also the stitching and the zip feel decent for this price range. Now coming to storage, this is 26-liter bag which means you can easily carry school books, lunch box or water bottle, even a laptop. It has multiple compartments so organizing your item is super easy, perfect for school, tuitions and even a short trip. Talking about comfort, you get padded shoulder strap, back support, so it feel comfortable even if you carry it or for long hour. The strap are adjustable and which is great for kids as well as adults. So guys, overall this Tinytot 26-liter backpack is a great value for money option. It's stylish, spacious and perfect for school, college or even light travels. If you are looking for a affordable and multi-purpose bag, you can definitely go for it. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe button and share it with your friend and family, and subscribe to the channel for more honest review like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to purchase this product, then the link is in description box.